Welcome back, friend. Happy Friday. You're listening to the Grow Your Daycare podcast. I am your host, Christina, and today's episode, we're going to be focusing on answering a question that I received inside the Childcare Business Growth Hub, my monthly marketing membership, from someone that recently fully booked her program. Yay, congrats. And she's wondering, should I still be booking visits? Because I'm still getting people calling me and they want to come visit. Should I say yes? Should I say no? Now, these are my 2 cents. I think that as a business owner, marketing is one of those things that you constantly have to be doing. You have to be advertising. You have to be showing up for your business consistently. Now, this doesn't mean that if you're fully booked right now, that you're going to be posting about enroll now type of content, but you should definitely be updating your platforms, sharing about your program. And if you want to post business related or business type of content, then I would suggest that you start a wait list. Okay. And you can do this a few ways. You can start, you can add a little pop-up form on your website to direct the traffic over there, or you can ask families to call you directly and you can just put their name down on your wait list. However you want to do that, it's just a great way for you to start a wait list. Now, if you are fully booked and you're posting content like that and you're getting people to call you and they're interested in visiting because they're interested in putting their child in your daycare, I would not say no. I would say yes, let's meet. I would obviously be honest and say, at the moment, we are fully booked, but we are taking in registrations for the fall time, or we're starting a wait list, and you are going to be the first person to be contacted if and when a space opens up. Okay. The other thing you want to think about is you want to plan out your year. So if this is, let's say, if you're listening to this and it's like January, February, and you know that after summertime, you lose a few kids and you really have to start advertising like in the summer, use that to your advantage. If someone calls you and it's like, let's say January, February right now, and they want a space, you can say something like, for the moment, we don't have space, but I will have an opening in a few months. If you're still interested, we can either book a visit. You can come and visit. And if you're a good fit, you can ask them for a deposit and then you can put them on your wait list, or you can set up a virtual tour, actually meet them, interview them for the first time, show them around. And if you feel like it's a good fit, then you can, follow up with your wait list procedure. It's a great way for you to never have to panic about filling up your spots ever again. The fact that you're fully booked and that families see that on Facebook and Instagram and still want to come visit just means that there's demand in your community, which is amazing. So no, never say no, you can't come visit. Always be honest and say, yes, we're fully booked. We're blessed. We're fully booked. We have a great team or great families that we're serving, but we would love to still show you around because we're actively starting a wait list for the fall or for the next few months or, whatever that is for you. And we would love to have you join our team or our little family, our home daycare family, if you're still interested in the next few months, right? And just take it from there. Some families might say yes, we don't mind waiting. Other families that are really, really looking for daycare like right now are going to say no, and that is okay. Never be afraid to share about your program or to encourage families to come and visit even when you're fully booked. Just be honest, making sure that they know that there's no space right now, because that's how awesome you are. And there will be availability in the next few months. So they will be one of the first people to be called, right? And then you take it from there. So I hope that this answers your question. If you are there right now, let me know if you have any marketing questions that you would like for me to answer in our Friday Q&A episodes. I would love to answer them for you. Other than that, have an amazing weekend and I'll see you back again next week. Bye for now.